Hello my dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn division. What is the meaning of division? Division means we have to divide. How to divide? We can divide equally or unequally, right? Or we can say that if something we have distributed equally, it is division. Otherwise, we can say division is repeated subtraction. First, I will show how division is repeated subtraction. I want to divide 6 chocolates to 3 students. Or I want to distribute 6 chocolates to 3 students. I will write 6 divided by 3. How it is repeated subtraction? First, I will do 6 minus 3. I will get 3. That is step 1. Now I should do again 3 minus 3 because I have to distribute to 3 students. So next step is 3 minus 3. 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. That is second step. 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. That is second step. So how many steps I have taken to get here 0? To get here 0, how many steps I have taken? 2 steps. So I can say that 6 divided by 3. 6 divided by 3 is equal to 2. 6 divided by 3 is equal to 2. How I got 2 here? I have done repeated subtraction. And to get last 0 here. Here to get 0, how many steps I have taken? 2 steps. That's why 6 divided by 3 is equal to 2. That means each child will be getting 2 chocolates. Let's see another example like this. Suppose I want to distribute or I want to give 12 flowers. 12 flowers to, I want to distribute 12 flowers to 3 students. How to do this using repeated subtraction? First I will do 12 minus 3. 12 minus 3 is equal to 9. There I can write step 1. Next step is 9 minus 3. 9 minus 3 is equal to 6. That is step 2. Then 6 minus 3. 6 minus 3 is equal to 3. That is step 3. Then 3 minus 3. 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. That is step 4. So at last I got 0. How many steps I have taken? 1, 2, 3, 4. That means 12 divided by 3 is equal to 4. This is repeated subtraction method. That means if I want to distribute something to someone, first I give what? 12 minus 3 I did. So what I got? 9. So each child how many? That only we have to find out. So 9, no. It is not the correct answer. So again I will do repeated subtraction. 9 minus 3 because we have to distribute equally. 9 minus 3, 6. Then also something is left. 6 is left in my hand. So I will do again 6 minus 3. I got 3. Again 3 are there in my hand. So I will do 3 minus 3, 0. Now nothing is there in my hand. That means I have distributed it equally. So each child will be getting 4 flowers or 4 chocolates, whatever it will be. But this one is not, this is equal distribution I said. If it is unequal distribution, finally we will get here 1 something without 0. And also this method is so longer. We cannot do for bigger numbers this one. That's why we are using long division method. So long division method I have done one video. Please watch it. Before that, this is just introduction video. What is division? So we have learned that division means repeated subtraction, or if we divide something or we distribute something, we can say it has been divided or division has been done. Suppose if I write 12 divided by 2 without repeated subtraction, how can we find the answer? That only I am going to say now. See here, 2 is this number is dividend, this is divisor. Dividend, divisor. By which number we are doing, that is called divisor. So 2 is divisor here. That means divisor is which number? That number's table you should remember. You know 2's table very well. 1 2's are 2, 2 2's are 4. Correct? 2 3's are 6. Then 4 2's are 8. 5 2's are 10. 6 2's are 12. What is the answer then? 6. How many times? 6 times. That means when you remember 2's table, 1 2's are 2, 2 2's are 4, 3 2's are 6, 4 2's are 8, 5 2's are 10, 6 2's are 12. 6 into 2. That means when you remember 2's table, how you are getting 12? When you remember 2's table, 2 into 6 equal to 12 or 6 into 2 is equal to 12. So, what is the answer here? 6. This answer is called quotient. Quotient. This is dividend. Dividend. This is divisor. Divisor. SOR. Divisor. And the result of division. I mean 6 is here what? Quotient. 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 That means 12 divided by 2 is 6. Now let's see other example. Friends, I have done one video before, division as repeated subtraction. In that I have given some examples. That's why in this video I have given only 2 examples. See here, 10 divided by 5. 10 divided by 5. 10 divided by 5 means 10 divided by 5. You have to remember 5's table very well. 1 5's are 5, 2 5's are 10. How we are getting 10? 2 5's are 10. So answer is here 2 or quotient is 2. Next one, these all are simple examples. When we do bigger number, better we have to do long division. So here next one I am going to give 18 divided by 3. When you remember 3's table, 1 3's are 3, 2 3's are 6, 3 3's are 9, 4 3's are 12, 5 3's are 15, 6 3's are 18. We got 18. How many times? 6 3's are. So here quotient is 6. Next, 20 divided by 10. Very simple. 10's table is very simple. When you say 10's table, 1 10's are 10, 2 10's are 20. 2 10's. How many times? 2 times. So here quotient is 2. Next, 72 divided by 8. 72 divided by 8. You should know 8's table very well. 8 9's are 72. Here quotient is 9. 8 9's are 72. So here quotient is 9. Now let's see some other examples also. 81 divided by 9. 81 divided by 9. 9 9's are 81. When you remember 9's table, 9 9's are 81. So here quotient is 9. Next, 15 divided by 3. 3's table. Divisor is 3. 3's table. 3 5's are 15. So quotient is 5. Next, 14 divided by 2. When you remember 2's table, 2 7's are 14. So quotient is 7. Next, 64 divided by 8. 8 8's are 64. So here quotient is 8. So friends, I hope this is clear. This is just introduction why we have to divide. Something if we want to distribute, we have to divide it. And sometimes equal distribution, sometimes unequal distribution. These all are equal distribution. Unequal distribution means we will get remainder also. That we have done in long division video. Kindly watch it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel.